and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana, and I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is my second BOXY charm unboxing for the month of February, and I really loved my first box, so I know this is just going to be as awesome. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And for you who don't know what BOXY charm is, this is a monthly subscription, but you have options to get it every 3 months, 6 months, things like that. But I get mine every month, and it is $25 for this beauty box. So it's a beauty box, and it comes every month, and the payment is taken out on the 1st of each month. So this is my second box. I did get one in January. I will link that video down below if you are interested in watching that. And I think you get a free gift the first time you enroll into getting a box. So I did get a free item. So this is how the box is. It was super big. It was way bigger than the first box, but I think it's because something in here may be larger than what they could fit in the regular box. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. And when you first open it, it looks like this. And it says Hello Charmer. And then it says BOXY Charm with the hashtags and the things at the Instagram at the top. And then this is the box. I took the bubble wrap out and gave it to my kids to pop. But this is the box. So the first thing we are going to look at is this Siente London Everyday Vacay. This is a coconut setting powder. And this is how the packaging is looking. And I'm just going to go ahead and open it up so you can see it, maybe. Maybe not, because it's not working with me. And I'm tearing up the box, and I don't want to do that because I'm giving this away. But okay, so this is how it looks when you take it out. Very pretty packaging. And this is just a setting powder. It has a little case in there, and you just dabble some on your hand. But I'm going to be giving this product away. This is just the first product. It usually has a piece of paper to tell you how much everything is, but I didn't get that. So I'm going to try to look up the prices for the items and put them somewhere on the screen. But this is the first item right here, and I really like the packaging. It's really pretty. Okay. So the second thing we have is a Moda Pro. This is a 5-pack deluxe eye kit. And it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's no animal product use. So these are just some brushes, and they look like this. And I think this black is so chic and cute. And I might keep these. I'm not sure yet, but they look really nice. And I love the fact that it's 100% vegan and it's cruelty-free. I really like that. So this is the second product. Again, I will put the price of this down below for you all. Just some brushes. So the third thing that I have is this lippy right here. This is the Queen Lippy. This is in the Monroe color. And this is the packaging right here. That matte on matte black. And this is how it looks right here. I love me a red color. Stop. Y'all know this. My little baby, he behaving. So this is the applicator right here, and I'm just going to swatch it on my arm. And I love how it has like a little gloss to it. I'm not ready for that yet. I love how it has a little gloss to it, but it's very pigmented. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. So that's the next product. And again, this is the Queen.
Don't hold it. It's hot.
Right there. So the next thing that I have, and I thought these were very nice looking, so I might keep them and use them for when I put on masks and things like that. These are the Luxy Complete Sponge Set Baked Contour Detail. These look like this. It says one is a detail blender, a powder blender, and a precision blender. And these are so nice. And I bet they're so freaking soft. They just look so soft. So that's the next item, and that's 4 items so far. So we have one more item that comes in the bag. So the next item is this humongous palette right here. And let me just take the bubble wrap out. This is the iconic London palette. It looks really cute. This is a Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Okay, it creates endless beautiful looks with these 20 high pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. These velvety soft powders include a mix of matte shimmers and glitters for flawless date tonight looks. Okay. This is how it looks. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So it has this really big mirror right here. I love the mirror. And I'm just going to show you the colors. These are some really, really cute colors. I love how it has some of the brown colors. I love the glitter. I love the shimmer. So I get a little closer. Very, very cute. This is really, really cute, y'all. This is going to be in one of my giveaways because I'm not going to keep this. But I absolutely love these colors. Peach Fizz. Has dark, deep soul, 24 karat gold, champagne chick, and the new VIP vibes, baby. A lot of different colors, and they're really, really pretty. So those are all the things that I got in my BOXY charm. Very quick, very to the point. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. And y'all can come over to my chat. I don't be doing nothing. It's Curl Lover 77. And I'm thinking about getting a Twitter, y'all, but I don't know. Because, why? But yeah, so a lot of this stuff is going to be in my giveaway because I don't wear makeup. So you all just keep supporting. Make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video, because some of my giveaways are just so sporadic and I just put them at the end, beginning, wherever, and it doesn't necessarily say giveaway. So y'all gotta be subscribed and checking out everything key so y'all can be able to see that. What is you saying? But yeah, that's all I have, and I'll put a link down below if you're interested in BOXY charm. It's been around like for a while. But yeah, until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there, peace. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.